This is Parshat Acharei, right after Pesach. We learn about Acharei, and the Parshat talks about the marital relationship that's also. Person is not, Torah says that the person is not allowed to marry his daughter, person is not allowed to marry his sister, his aunt. All of the ladies are also to get married to. Now, Mefarshim explained that what's the reason? Why is it also to get married to relatives? And Rambam says because relatives are available, and if would have been mutar to marry relatives, a person would indulge himself in adultery and having marital relationship because they are available. In other words, there are a lot of times they are available in private home, private places, and they would get together. And Torah doesn't want the person to indulge himself too much in this yanim. Moderation. Torah, the dusha comes with moderation. Ramban asked on Rambam, what are you talking about? Torah didn't say, if that's the case, Torah should have said it's also to marry more than one wife. Torah allows more than one wife in certain situations. And here we find that it's not, there's no restriction. And if there is a restriction, Torah should have been osir, even marrying more than one wife. Now, the first to explain what's the depth of Rambam. Rambam is saying that relatives are asur because of being available. Now, Rambam is telling us one of the depths of somebody who wants to be away, wants to keep himself kadosh. What is the way to keep himself kadosh? Person has to make sure that the arayot, the women that's also to be with, should not be available. Once somebody was getting married to a goyish lady, and I went to talk to him, that why is he doing that? And that's the goyish lady had even child. I couldn't believe this person, they never get married. And it wasn't a matter of attraction and look, she wasn't so beautiful, but still, I said, why? What's happening? You know why? Because she was his secretary. They were together. She was available. And he, going after a girl, finding out, it takes time, takes effort, takes trying, and was disappointed. And that was available, and once it's available, you pick it up. As it's available, you get it. That's the depth of Rambam. Rambam is saying that if you want, Torah is teaching us to stay away from any type of wrong doing in this area, you have to cut off availability. You should not make it available. Once they are available, once there is the availability, that happens. Therefore, when a person makes the availability to be with whatever that's available, that availability makes it that it should be led to this. And a lot of Gedolei Israel came out that even internet is also a person yichud. There is the Isra of yichud. What does Isra of yichud means? A man and a lady cannot be in private place together in a locked room. Even Moshe Rabbeinu with the lady to be in locked room, and they come out, nothing happened, but they did an Isur. What's Isur? Because they were available to each other. Torah is teaching us the best way to keep Kedusha, to be Tahor, you have to cut off availability, not to let be available. Being in locked room and nothing happens, but the fact of availability makes it. A lot of wrong things, a lot of corruption comes about because people make each other available for each other. Once there is the availability, then it's very hard to watch and to keep. The best way to make himself kadosh and to stay in kedusha is to take away the availability, and the best prevention is not to make available things for each other.